Now let us start creating 2D assembly drawing. Go to File menu and click New and click Drawing and check this Use Default Template. Give drawing file name, sleeve, Cotter joint 2D drawing, 2-dimensional drawing. Okay, and select template in A3 size. Okay, now this is a general view. Here you can control the scale, give image to apply. Okay, now this top we don't need. This is what our front view. Okay, now give dimensions by clicking this dimension. We can give custom. Now this dimension we need. Okay, apply, and here we need to give dimensions. This is 65 mm. Click OK, and this one is metro height 35 mm. Oh, this one is not required. This one is large size. This one is 32 mm. We need give diameter. Okay, and the width of this cutter plane 6 mm. Okay, and then diameter of this shaft is 25 mm. Add dimension text there. Okay, 25 mm. And this dia if we need, give it to the other side. Dimension of this shaft dia is 32 mm. Yes, give the dimension text dia symbol. Okay, then overall dimension of this assembly. Okay, then what else you need from this drawing? Okay, first all is done for assembly view. Okay, if you want to give dimensions, other dimensions, you can give the same way. Thank you. And then if you want to apply a table, here we can apply bill of material table. Here we have 3 parts. One is sleeve, rod and cutter. 2 numbers of rod, cutter and rod. Okay, and if you want to insert a 3D view of this assembly, click here and choose isometric, and if you want to scale up, you can give up to 0.5. Okay, now add sketch note. of our college name, Annamaldian Polytechnic College, and this note, this is front view of F. C1 Cotter joint assembly drawing. Okay, now if you want to place to text height to 6 mm and choose different font from here. Okay, and here also you can choose a different font. Okay, and if you want to add one more note, add here this keynote, all dimensions are in only mm only, otherwise stated implicitly. Increase the height, increase the text height to 6 mm and choose different font from here and place it by moving the cursor. Okay, now it looks fine. That's all for creating a 2D assembly drawing using PTC Creo parametric. Okay, thank you for